Global Carbon Removal Partnership is an international collaboration, a multi-stakeholder partnership that brings governments, civil society, private sector together to discuss how we can accelerate responsible carbon removal across the world, but have it be a partnership that's really led by the Global South through South-North cooperation, South-South cooperation. We want to be able to deploy different types of carbon removal solutions in the Global South who did not create the climate crisis that we're in, and yet we want the Global South to now reap the benefits of being able to create the technologies that get deployed in these countries, so that we're thinking about how it's done responsibly through social and environmental equity, through local ownership, through co-benefits, and that we're improving the livelihoods and economic potential and opportunities for those living in Kenya, in Africa more broadly, the Global South.
Right now, we know that the carbon market is a nascent industry. We do not have much information on it. So at the moment, I'd say we are in the process of piloting. But the thing is, we believe that it has so much potential, and carbon credit has the potential to contribute to both mitigation and adaptation, which is such a unique position because we have this tool that is already here with us, and we just need to find the right ways to maximize it. And I feel that the government of Kenya, as well as all the organizers such as Thunderbird, the Alliance for Science, have played such a critical role in accelerating discussions that would lead towards getting to a point where the carbon market is such a huge industry for both Africa and also globally.
This year, in 2023, we're going to be doing the first pilot experiment, the first pilot injection in Kenya. So it'll be one of the first pilots in the world. We're only the third mineralization company in the world, and we're really excited to be here in Kenya doing it. So the first pilot will be really just to prove the concept. But if we're successful with that, then we'll be in a position to store tens of thousands of tons per year in our first well. So, very quickly, Kenya will be one of the largest sort of sites potentially in the world, because right now, commercially, the largest volume this is happening is around 4,000 tons. So to put that in perspective, we could quite quickly get to really make Kenya a global hub.
Kenya is one of the most ideal places in the world for this. This then allows for Kenya to create a billion-dollar, multi-billion-dollar, maybe even trillion-dollar market of opportunity. And that leads to jobs, improved opportunities, healthcare, education. So it really is a critical catalyst for Kenya's vision for itself and a model for the rest of the world.
As government, His Excellency President William Ruto is a champion and a leader on matters climate change. He is, of course, additionally the chair of the African Heads of State on matters climate change. And because of that, but also because of his own commitment to continue making sure that Kenya goes through green industrialization and green growth, which he has announced and pronounced himself several times, is a commitment that he has. And because of that, we are getting more and more companies coming to our country, and we are very grateful for them. And the President has assured all these startups and interested companies to come to Kenya, and they will get all the support they so need.